Okay, our F&B Retailer of the Year.
This award will be presented by Paulina Krasnopolska from Mapic.
And on the shortlist we have Blue Frog, Burger King, Deli Sandwich, Fresh Corner, Frutissimo, KFC, Max Premium Burgers, Olimp, and Pizza Hut.
So welcome. Thank you for supporting us. We're always happy when Mapic is supporting our events, and we're happy to support your events. So.
And the winner is Olimp.
Congratulations.
Wow. I'm working for Olimp since few weeks, so this is fantastic news for me. The second hottest news on the Polish market this week, just after Balmain and Sona Sierra joint ventures. So I would like to say a big congratulations to James Turner and Balmain team. On behalf of Piotr Niemiec and Gastromol company, I would like to thank for this award. This award comes to the biggest food-on-wage Polish operator, and it was the best choice. So thank you very much and have a nice, fantastic event today. Thank you.
Congratulations again, and come join us for a photo. Not too far back.